Alright, what's up, y'all? This is my Genesis Coupe 2012 2.0 turbo, black the plastic dip rims, and I just got my straight pipe with front tips, quads. Pretty chill. I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds right now. Yes, sir. I'll show y'all inside first. It's pretty dirty though. There's no space whatsoever in the back. There's no space. But it's straight. Got this little thing. I need a new one. I wanted a manual, but I didn't have it, so I just got automatic. But it's straight though. Kinda like it. Well, now I'm gonna show y'all how it sounds. I'll show y'all how it sounds right now. Hold up. Let's see. Put that right there. Looking good. Yep, right there. Alright. That's my straight pipe, white pipe with quads, front tips. Pretty nice. I like the modification. Now all I'm waiting for is my intake K&N. Waiting for that. Tint, pretty nice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. This is my Genesis Coupe.